In this session, we will learn about questions related to profit, loss, and discount. Before we get into the questions part, we have to understand different concepts or different definitions involved in these questions. Like for example, cost price. Cost price of an article is the amount you pay for purchasing a product. So that's called the cost price. If it is manufacturing, cost price will be the cost involved in manufacturing a product. We can abbreviate it as CP. Overhead. Overhead charges are after you purchase a product, if there is additional expenses like transportation, labor, commission, packing, or something like that, those expenses are called as overhead expenses. The actual cost price will be cost price plus overhead expenses. Selling price. Selling price obviously is the MRP price, that is the market retail price, the price at which the product is sold. That's called the selling price. Profit or gain. If the cost price is 10 rupees and you sell it at 20 rupees, so 20 minus 10, 10 is profit. So profit is only when cost price is lesser than the selling price. Coming to loss. Loss is when the cost price is higher and the selling price is lower. For example, you buy a pen for 20 rupees and due to some reasons, maybe there is no demand or maybe it is old stock, you sell it at 10 rupees. So the difference is 20 minus 10, 10. So 10 is the loss. So here, as written here, profit is when the selling price is more than cost price. Loss is when cost price is more than selling price. These are some important formulas. Profit percentage. How do you find the profit percentage? Profit divided by cost price into 100. Loss percentage. Loss divided by cost price into 100. So this you have to remember that when you are finding profit percentage and loss percentage, you have to divide it by cost price and not selling price. It's not selling price, it's the cost price. Now how to find the selling price? Selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percentage, that is profit percentage, divided by 100 altogether into SP. Or if it is a loss, you have to calculate it like this: 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into CP, cost price. Similarly, cost price is a similar percentage, similar formula: 100 divided by 100 plus gain percentage into SP. If you can see, the formula is reversed. For SP, it is 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100. For CP, it is 100 divided by 100 plus gain percentage. And 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. Here it is 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100. So these are all formulas which it is easier for you to by heart, and it's better to by heart. SP, selling price. Then this is another formula to find out selling price: 100 plus P percentage of CP, when profit is equal to profit percentage of P percentage of CP. When a percentage of profit is given based on CP, then this is the formula to be followed. SP is equal to 100 minus loss percentage of CP, when loss is equal to loss percentage of CP. When a loss percentage is given, then this is the formula to be used. You have to see which situation matches which formula and use it. This is a special formula. Two articles having same selling price with a gain of X percentage on one and loss of X percentage on another, then there is an overall loss of X squared divided by 100 percentage. The further on questions you will understand. This is the first question. A stationer buys diaries at rupees 75 per dozen and sells them at rupees 15 per piece. What is the profit? So you have to notice here that rupees 75 per dozen and this is rupees 15 per piece. So the cost price is 75 rupees per dozen, which is total earnings is equal to rupees 15 per piece into 12 pieces is equal to 180. So 180 minus 75 is 105. As I told you, 75 is per dozen and 15 is per piece. So 15 into 12 we have to do, which is 180, and then minus it. The units of SP and CP should be same. This is per dozen, so this also has to be per dozen. So 180 minus 75 is equal to 105. This is the second question. A shopkeeper sells two items at the same price. If he sells one of them at a profit of 20% and the other at a loss of 20%, then find the percentage of loss. This is the formula which I was telling you. Loss percentage is equal to loss divided by CP into 100. Overall loss percentage is equal to 20 square divided by 100 percentage. This is 20 into 20, 400 divided by 100 is equal to 4%. This is x square divided by 100. X is 20, so x square is 40 square, 20 square 400 divided by 100 is equal to 4%. This is the third question. By selling a watch of rupees 495, a shopkeeper incurs a loss of 10%. Then find the cost price of the watch for the shopkeeper. So we have to find the cost price. We have the selling price and we have the loss percentage. So we have to use this formula. CP is equal to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. So it is 100 divided by 100 minus 10 into 495, which is 100 divided by 90 into 495, which is 550. So you have to remember this formula. When a loss percentage is given and selling price is given, this is the formula to be followed. Now this is the fourth question. If a product with cost price rupees 150 is sold at a profit of 20%, cost price is 150, profit percentage is 20%, what is the selling price? So SP is equal to 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into SP. So 100 plus 20 divided by 100 into cost price 150, which is 120 divided by 100 into 150. If you calculate this, you will get 180. You have to remember this formula. When a profit percentage is given and a cost price is given, for the selling price, this is the formula. This is the next question. On selling 144 bicycles, John lost the selling price of 6 bicycles. His percentage losses, this is a little complicated one. So CP minus SP is equal to loss. CP of 144 bicycles minus SP of 144 bicycles is equal to SP of 6 bicycles. So CP of 144 bicycles is equal to, we are taking it here, we are moving this here, so it is 144 minus 144 becomes plus 144, so it becomes 115, which is CP of 144 bicycles is equal to SP of 150 bicycles is equal to loss percentage is equal to loss divided by CP into 100. This one. Loss is equal loss divided by CP into 100 will be the loss percentage. So loss percentage is equal to, loss is 150 minus 144 divided by CP is 150 into 100, which is 6 divided by 150 into 100 is equal to 4%. Here what we have to remember is, we are using this formula CP minus SP is equal to loss, and we are replacing it by whatever information we have in the question. CP of 144 bicycles minus SP of 144 bicycles is equal to 6 SP of 6 bicycles. Then we are moving this here, which becomes plus. So 6 plus 144 is equal to 150 bicycles. And then we are using this loss percentage formula. Okay, anyway we know it's a loss. So 150 minus 144 divided by 150 into 100. And finally we get the percentage, 4%. For more videos, like and subscribe. And for questions, please write in the comments box. Thank you.